Hey everybody, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and can you believe it's almost the new year? You better get working on those New Year's cookies. So today we're going to make 3 cookies for New Year's, and the first one we're just going to outline and flood with a black royal icing in a 15-second consistency, and we're going to let that dry. Once it's dry, we're going to take some gold edible paint and we're just going to flick it with the paintbrush and put some splatter marks all over the cookies. And then using my scribe, I scratched in the numbers 2024 onto my cookie using a projector, and now I'm going to use some gold icing and outline those scratch marks. I'll leave a link for the gold icing in the description. It's really nice when you can use gold icing and you don't have to go back and paint over white icing with gold edible paint. For the next cookie, I'm going to do a party hat, and I'm going to do the same thing, outline the hat with a black royal icing in a 15-second consistency and flood that in and let it dry. Once it's dried, I'm going to go ahead and make some of the pom-pom at the top with my gold icing, and then I'm going to go back in with white and black icing and more gold icing until it looks really full. I'm going to let it dry in between each color. Then I'm going to use my gold icing and make some stripes across my party hat. And then finally, using a stiff consistency white icing and a number 16 tip, I'm going to put some swirls at the bottom. And for the last cookie, I'm just going to outline and flood a star with the gold icing. And then these cookies will be done and will be ready for New Year's. I hope you have a fabulous New Year's, stay safe, and I'll see you in the new year with new cookie tutorials. Thanks for watching.